When a client reaches out to us for service, we try to help them over the phone or through email as much as possible. We want to avoid any downtime, but in the event that we do need a repair, we will have it sent in here to our workshop. The labs that we're trying to support are working on all kinds of important research, and the last thing that we want is to be a hurdle in the way of accomplishing that. So minimizing that downtime ensures that they're as productive as possible. My trick when it comes to troubleshooting is to ask the questions that get the most answers. I might ask you the model of a unit, and that will help me determine even what questions to continue asking. But as we get closer and closer to the error, we narrow down on what the cause is. When we think a repair might take a while, or particularly if it's under warranty, we definitely do not want that downtime. So in order to keep labs running when they do run into issues, we'll often have units available that they can use while we repair their unit. That allows them to keep functioning. That allows us to take care of our customers.